to be professionals or even like anything more than a couple of idiots with a VW. What is up, Dusty Crew? We are on our way to go see Ricky Buggy. If you don't know what that is, feel free to check out a link in the description below. It is our free VW project that we got for Christmas. So, we're going to be going to work on that today. What are we going to do?
I don't know yet.
That's the beauty of a project, folks. There she is, you guys, Ricky Buggy, and all of her
glory.
Engine compartment, spider webs and all. The only thing shiny about her is the exhaust tips. Before we get into it, make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to see us do more
Engine pulls, engine rebuilds, project builds, all kinds of stuff.
All the dogs are howling.
Ooh. What are they?
Weber's. They're 34 ICTs.
This dirt kind of reminds me of the sand dune.
Turn the generator on.
Generator. I just learned how to do this.
So we just managed to hook the buggy up and pull it out of the brush.
Look at that. Look at the tire.
Nice.
That's what you want your electrical to do.
And they had cylinder one pointing this way.
I am not reaching my hand in there. It's funny until it happens to you. Time to get this motor out. Oh my god, y'all, this is hilarious.
Stupid.
Spencer just spent the last half an hour trying to remove one of the engine mounts, only to discover
It is not there. Couldn't get it out or something. No. It's just a non-existent.
We never claimed to be professionals, or even like anything more than a couple of idiots with a VW. Two VWs. We did it. Alright, looks pretty nice. Oh, thank God. I wear this shirt ironically. It says no need for speed. And I love to wear it while I drive my 2332cc Buggy. Well, opened up a can of worms when we looked on the inside.
Go to Pomona this year.
And sell a bunch of stuff. We're modification babes. Rolling. Oh my god. Funny story, you guys. Spencer and I went to Six Flags one time.
Yeah.
He found someone's wedding ring on the ground and he turned it into someone who was sweeping the ground. And that person happened to be a manager, and they said to
say his name at guest relations. Well, once we got through the gate, guest relations was about a 5-minute walk. Spencer's not good with names. So he just kept repeating,
Roland. He was making jokes about it. He was turning it into a song. And then the second we get up to the guest relations desk, guess what he forgets? Yep, the person's name. So the people are all like laughing because the second that he got up there, he like, oh. And I just like looked at him and was like, Roland? We always have a trove of shit we don't need. But now it just got bigger. What do you do when you have gross stuff to pick up and you don't want to touch it, but you're out of paper towels?
Got it.
Gross. Still a little soupy at the bottom, but much better now.
I think that'll work.
Use the mess to clean the mess. All loaded up. I got a motor, hey, hey, I got a motor. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Baja Bug content. And be sure to check out VW Jawbreaker for some more cool VW projects. Stay dusty.